Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, which is the creamy base. Then, grab 1/2 cup of cold milk to help it blend smoothly. Don't forget any fun mix-ins like chocolate syrup or fruit for extra flavor. Having everything ready makes the process super quick and enjoyable. Now let's get blending. Carefully scoop your 2 cups of ice cream into your blender. Next, pour in the 1/2 cup of cold milk. Start blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase the speed. Blend until it reaches your desired smoothness, usually about 30 to 45 seconds. For a thicker shake, blend for a shorter time. This is where the fun begins customizing your milkshake. Feel free to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, caramel, or fruit purees for extra flavor. If you like chunks, toss in 1/4 cup of crushed cookies or fresh berries. Blend for just a few seconds more to mix everything in without overblending. This step truly makes your milkshake unique. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Carefully pour your freshly blended milkshake into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, add a swirl of whipped cream and a sprinkle of your favorite toppings. Grab a straw and savor every sip of your homemade treat. This easy method ensures a perfect milkshake every time, ready in just minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.